All right, everybody. So today we're going to discuss the new credit repair class. I know I've mentioned it before. I already have several people interested in it. This course will be $597. And trust me when I say it is a steal. It's going to go over everything that you need to know to start your own credit repair company. And the best part is, once you purchase for $597, you can also resell the course for $597. So if you buy it, you can actually resell it, make your money back, and have paid $0 for the course. But it's not all completed yet. Hopefully it'll be done as early as tonight, but as late as Friday. We won't release it till everything's done. But it's going to go over legal documents, introduction to credit monitoring companies, credit cards, debt management, your foundation, credit agencies, secondary credit agencies, credit softwares, and merchant accounts. And the merchant accounts is what we use to accept debit and credit cards. All this stuff and more will be included in this course. Once you purchase the course, you can sell it for as much as you want to, but the minimum is $597, and that's why I'm offering it for the minimum. Because remember, it's not always about the money, but it is always about the consumer and my clients. So that's really all I want to go over today. There will be much more to come, but I'm not going to sell this until it is 100% complete and ready to go. But if y'all have any questions about the course, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.